These are the 5 skills that took me from 0 to 1.5 million followers on TikTok. So let's get started. Let's jump into number 1, which is reverse engineering. And basically all that is you need to go and look at what other people in your niche are doing. How long are their videos? What hashtags are they using? What hook? How do they enter? How do they start their videos? How do they finish their videos? Reverse engineering is critical. If you find an account that's making videos and they're all making, every video gets 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 plus views, they're doing something right. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Model. Don't copy. You don't want to copy what they're doing, but model what they're doing. It's so important. Number 2 is often overlooked, and that's solve a problem. You're either going to educate, entertain, or inform on TikTok. If you're going to educate or inform, you want to inform is more news style. Educate, you want to solve a problem. You don't just want to make videos up. And it's pretty easy to figure out what issues or what problems there are. If you go to Ask the Public and you type in the keyword for your niche, it'll show you all of the questions that people have. And by answering specific questions, there's a good chance your video will go viral. Pick a niche. I know. Number 3, pick a niche. Everybody says, this is the hardest part. I agree. You need to think about this. 1, you need it to be evergreen content. And what that means is you don't want to pick a niche that in 6 months or a year is going to disappear. And, content that's evergreen and the most popular tends to be health, wealth, and relationships. How can people stay healthy or get healthy? How can people save money, make money? Relationships. And then not just that broad, you need to then niche down to something specific, but make sure whatever niche you pick that you are ready to make videos or content about it for the next 3 to 5 years, because I can tell you one thing that I've learned: success will not happen overnight. Number 4 is be consistent with your content creation. And that's not easy to do, especially on TikTok. This is a platform that the more I'm on it, the more I'm finding that you really need to do a minimum of 1 video per day. If you're serious about the growth of your channel, 1 video per day is really the minimum. And that's not easy to do, so you really need to batch your work. And what I mean by that is sit down for 2 or 3 hours and make 6, 8, 10 videos, and then edit those videos, do what you need to do, and upload them. That way they're ready. And that helps you be consistent on days where you just don't feel like creating content. You have a couple-day buffer because you already have those loaded. But consistency is key. I found on TikTok it's daily, on YouTube it seems to be each week. Hey, if you like this content so far, hit that like button and thumbs up. Leave me a comment with any questions that you have. Number 5, remember that content is subjective. Not every piece of content that you create is going to hit a home run, is going to get a ton of views, at least not until you're really popular. And even with 1.5 million followers, I'll have some videos that get 1,000 views and other videos that get tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or millions of views. So content really is subjective. And the way you learn what your audience wants is make more content. But don't get upset if it doesn't get as many views as you hoped it would. It usually doesn't. Here's my bonus tip, and it really is for your mindset, for the creator. And that is, worry about what you can control. You can control your output. You can control the content within your videos. But what you can't control is how many views, shares, likes, comments that it gets. So if you strictly look at your success based on other people's input of those likes, follows, all of those different things, you're going to find yourself getting disappointed because you'll make a video, especially in the beginning, you'll make a video and it'll get 10, 15, 20 views and you're thinking, man, I just spent all this time and hardly anyone is watching it. Remember, by being consistent, people will see your face over and over, start to recognize you, and people will start to like and follow you. We follow and interact with people that we know, like, and trust. So if you can build that through consistency and not worrying too much about the aspects you can't control, you're going to be much better off. Right here is a TikTok playlist that I think will also really help you out. There's quite a few videos in there that give you tips on how to get more followers and really do better on TikTok, so check them out.